morning children. How are you all? Are you fine, ma? Okay. In the previous session we completed exercise 1.4. Now we are going to start exercise 1.5. 1.5 onwards. Okay. See, in the exercise 1.5 we have, first of all, we have the expanded notation. How we will write the expanded notation? Look at that, no? Exercise 1.5. Okay, exercise 1.5, expanded notation. 4538. How we will expand 4538? How many thousands, how many hundreds, how many tens and how many ones are there in this question? Once look through that number. What is that number? 4538. 4 thousands, 5 hundreds, 3 tens, 8 ones. Now they are asking us to write the expanded form of this. Expanded form of this. How you will write? 4,000, 500, 30 plus 8. Like that you can write. Okay, see the second one, children. 3085. How many thousands are there in this? 3 thousands. 0 hundreds, 8 tens, 5 ones. Now you have to write the expanded notation of this number also. How you will write? 3 thousands, 0, 8 tens, 5 ones. Okay. See the next one, 5098. 5 thousands, 0 hundreds, 9 tens, 8 ones. So how you will write this? 5000 plus 0 plus 90 plus 8. Okay. Next one, 6137. 6137. Okay. In this 6000s, 100s, 3 tens, 7 ones. How you will write the expanded notation of this, ma? 6000 plus 100 plus 30 plus 7. Like that you can write the expanded notation. See the next one, children. 9562. 9506 tens, 2 ones. How you will expand it, children? 9500 6 tens, 60 plus 2. Like that you will write the expanded notation of the number. Next one, write the place value of the digit. Write the place value. Write the place value of the digit. First one. How you will write? What is the place value of 2? What is the place value of 2, ma? First write the place values on the numbers. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. What is the place value? 2 ones. What is the place value of 2? 2 ones. Next one, 6078. What is the place value of 6, amma? 6 ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. What is the place value of 6? 6 thousands. Okay, children. See the next one. What is the place value of 7? 7 is at ones place, so 7 ones. Like that you can write the place values. I will write the remaining also. Okay, children, I will write the remaining. Okay, children. Next, what is the place value of 3 in this number? What is this number? 4535. What is the place value of 3? 3 tens. Here, what is the place value of 1? Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. This is at thousands place, so 1000. Here see these numbers, ma. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. 80 is at tens place, so 80. 8 tens. Here 7 ones place only, so 7 ones. Here 5 at hundreds place, 5 hundreds. Next 9, 9 at ones, 9 ones. 0, ones tens place. So 0 tens, 0 only. If you multiply any number with 0, you will get 0. So 0 tens, 0. What is the place value of 0? It's always 0. No need to mention 0 tens, 0 ones like that. Okay children? See the next one. Write in the expanded notation. Write in the expanded notation. How you will write the expanded notation? Once look to this Simma. How you will write the expanded notation? See that? I'll repeat you. How you will write the expanded notation? Write in expanded form. See bit. Write in expanded form. How you will write expanded form? In the first Roman only I told you how to write the number in expanded notation. Yes, na? Write in expanded writing expanded form. Write in expanded form. How you will write the number in expanded form? See that children? 3819. They ask us to write this number in expanded notation. How you will write 3800 1 tens 10 plus 9. See the second one children? 5983. How you will expand it? 5 thousands, 9 hundreds, 8 tens 80 plus 3. See the third one? 7 thousands, 8 hundreds plus 10 plus 2. Fourth one 6234. 6 thousands plus 2 hundreds plus 30 plus 4. Fifth one 4609. 4 thousands plus 6 hundreds plus not at given tens place nana, so put 0 plus 9. Sixth one 5962. 5 thousands plus 9 hundreds plus 60 plus 2. Seventh one 1011. 1 thousands plus 0 plus 10 plus 1. Eighth one 9009. So 9 thousands not at given hundreds and tens places 9. Ninth one 8019. 8 thousands plus 10 plus 9. 10th one, last one in expanded notation 7433. 7 thousands plus 400s plus 30 plus 3. Like that you have to write the expanded notation children. So in the previous session only already we completed the expanded notation of 3 digits. Now the 4 digits also completed. Next the short form notation. Children, next model, write in expanded notation. Write in the short form. Write in the short form. Write in the short form. Okay. Children, write in the short form. See the first one, 4 thousands plus 300s plus 80 plus 8. They ask us to write the short form. How you will write the short form children? If you observe this number, here the place value is up to 1000. So 4 thousands na? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Write like that. And then insert the number where how many thousands, how many hundreds, and how many tens, and how many ones are there. Okay, 4 thousands, 3 hundreds, 8 tens, 8 ones. Secondly, 6 thousands, 4 hundreds, 3 tens, and 30 plus 9. How many thousands are there? 6 thousands. How many hundreds are there? 4 hundreds. How many tens are there? 3 tens. How many ones are there? 9 ones. See the third one, children. They given 4 numbers means no need to get any type of confusion. Sometimes they won't give some of the numbers and they will escape it. So by the time you have to place the place values must and should. Ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Now 7 thousands. Next 7 hundreds. Tens, not yet given tens, put 0. 7 ones, 7. Okay. See the fourth one. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. How you will write? 9 thousands. Next, hundreds. Not yet given hundreds place value. Here 90 was given. So, keep 0. 9 tens, 90. 9 ones, 9. Fifth one. 1000 plus 100 plus 10 plus 1. So, how you will write? See that? 1000. Okay. 100. 1000. 100. 110. 1 ones. Okay. See the sixth one, ma. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 5 thousands, 7 hundreds, 8 tens, 80. Not yet given ones place nana, so put 0. Seventh one. 3000 plus 3. If they given like this, some of the members will write as 33, 303 like that. They don't get the idea how many zeros they have to put. Okay. So for that purpose only I am saying to keep the place values children. So how you will write 3000s. Next hundreds and tens place values was not given, amma. Keep zeros at those places. 3 ones, 3. 3 ones, 3. Next one, eighth one, amma. 5000 plus 100. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. How you will write? 5000s, 100s. Not yet given any type of place values of tens and ones. So 100 only. 5100. Ninth one. 2000 plus 20 plus 3. How you will write? See that? 2000s. Not yet given hundreds place value nana 0. 2 tens 2 and 3 ones 3. One more sum is there. I will tell you. See that sum. Okay. See the 10th one. 4000s. 300s plus 2 tens 20 plus 1. They are asking us to write the number ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. What is this number? 4000s, 300s, 2 tens and 1 ones. Like that you can write 4321. Okay children. Now our exercise 1.5 completed. In the next time, in the next session we will continue exercise 1.6. 1.6 is about the comparing of numbers and ordering of numbers. Okay children, till then goodbye ma. Take care.